this lesson, we are going to learn about getter and setter functions in class. So what is getter and setter? When you have public or default instance variables, you can change the values from anywhere. But when you set the instance variables as private, you cannot modify the variable values outside the class scope. So in order to change private instance variables, we use getter and setter functions. The getter function returns the value of the instance variable, and setter assigns the value to the instance variable. And keep in mind that getter and setter are functions, so we can use it to make validations to allow or deny the access to the instance variables. In this lesson, we will learn how to implement getter and setter functions. Now, let's begin. In this lesson, we are going to learn getter and setter. Let's look at this example code. First, let's create student class with two fields, name and age. We also created default constructor that receives two fields. Now, in this example, we added getter and setter. We created two setter functions, which are setName and setAge. We also created two getter functions, which are getName and getAge. In main function, we created student object with name Joshua and age 21. By using getter function, we can print name and age. Let's try running this code. As you can see, Joshua and 21 is printed with getName and getAge functions. Now, let's change name and age using setter functions. Using setName, we will set name as Peter. Using setAge, we will set age to 25. Then, using getter function, print out name and age again and see the change. You can see that first result is Joshua and 21, but after running set functions, Peter and 25 is going to be printed. Now, try practice example for yourself in Dartpad or locally and see the different results and outputs. And that's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.